Hello everyone. In this video, I will discuss Google Cloud Certified Generative AI Leader certification exam related syllabus, the area of the syllabus, important questions, and I will share my knowledge with you because I have recently cleared and passed this certification. So I want to share my experience with you. So it will be helpful for your exam. So those basically are planning to give this exam. This video is very helpful for you. So Google Cloud, so those are basically passionate to work in AI and already working in any existing company or any organization or any learning phase, want to gain a AI level certification from the Google. That will be very beneficial for you. So now I just want to discuss the questions, and before that the syllabus, because it is important the area of the question you have to cover. So generative AI leader, that is a great thing, is a visionary professional comprehensive knowledge of have generative AI leader. That means focus more focus on the generative AI. So the exam syllabus is divided into four main domain. First one is a fundamentals of Gen AI, that is related to 30% of the area of the question. The distances between generative AI, predictive machine learning, and traditional AI, and some concept of LLM and hallucination, base, etc. And some workflow should be clear. Next, Google Cloud Gen AI offering, that is 35% approximately. So here the Gemini model, Vertex AI, AI Studio, Notebook LM, BigQuery, these things should be clear. Next, third, technique to improve model output, that is 20% approximately. Understand prompt engineering and some LLM, some RAG approach, retrieval, augmented generation. Okay, some error, some fine tuning methods. And last, business strategies for successful Gen AI solution. Here, Google recommend practice for building secure, responsible, transformational AI solution. So here you will more focus to the deployment section. So this the 4 unit you have to cover for this exam. So mostly focus, and obviously you are working with the AI module, the machine learning, deep learning, generative AI, but more focus to the generative AI. Inside the generative AI, we focus to the Google. Okay, and some Python related library knowledge, the basic knowledge should be clear for the AI. So now I want to discuss here which Google Cloud service enable enterprise search and conversational AI over business data. Google Cloud service that is enabled, that is Vertex AI search. Vertex AI search help organizations build AI powered search and conversational experience across enterprises data. So that means the Vertex AI search. So Google related information, Google enterprise related information should be there. Okay, should be known. So if you are new in my channel for upcoming related to the AI certification for the Microsoft and AWS and Databricks, so you can like and subscribe my channel, so it will be helpful to you to know the upcoming videos. Okay, and you can share this video with your friends, those are basically planning to give this. Next, what is the primary advantage of using Google Cloud Managed AI services? Okay, so now we are talking about the Google Cloud based or Managed AI services. So correct answer is they simplify the deployment and development and deployment, scaling and management of AI application. That is the correct thing. Why? Managed AI service reduce operational overhead, allowing team to focus building AI solution instead of managing infrastructure. That is the explanation of this question. Next. So all questions are very useful, very important and related to the syllabus and to enhance. So a company want to use generative AI to summarize, it is a scenario based question, generative AI to summarize thousands of customer support tickets while ensuring that confidential customer information is not exposed. Okay, which approach best address this requirement. Whenever we talk about to implement any business use cases and to embed the any AI, so the major concern is security. Any organization do not want to share the data, but how we can justify like it is secure? So that means apply data governance, access control, role-based access, and responsible AI practice before using the model. So explanation, enterprise AI solutions should protect sensitive data through governance, access control, privacy measure, and responsible AI practice. Next, managing model hallucination. Okay, that means a financial service companies building an internal AI assistant to help analysts query complex regulatory document. Okay, we just query complex. The primary concern is that the model might hallucinate or invert financial regulation, which Google Cloud architecture pattern is best suited to. That is, utilize RAG approach. RAG context to Vertex AI search data store, because we are talking about the analyst query complex regulatory document related. We are providing some external document to the for the relative search. Hallucination, that means if you are talking example, you are searching something from the Gemini, you are searching something from the chat GPT and some different AI like Copilot. So every chatbot reply you the different result, not the same. So here RAG ground the LLM response in a specific verified corpus of data. Vertex AI search significantly reduce hallucination by forcing the model to reply the provided document, because we are providing the relevant document and it will take help and provide and send the response to the LLM to reply them. So model selection strategy, so machine learning, supervised and supervised, so mainly focus to the generative AI, like how we can convert text to word and vector DB, and some example of the like lemma and Pinecone. So different vector DBs examples are there. So what is the role of the embedding, and what is generative AI? Generative AI, some model and some techniques. So here model selection strategy. So how you can select the particular model according to the situation. So your organization need to deploy a chat automation feature that handle high volume and low complexity customer queries, like frequently asked question, and with the lowest possible latency and cost. Which model strategy makes the most sense? So use a smaller, highly efficient model like Gemini Flash, or an optimized lightweight model from Vertex AI model garden. So correct answer is C. Explanation. A core responsibility of an AI leader is cost and performance optimization for low complexity, high volume tasks. Smaller model like Gemini Flash offer an optimal balance of load. Next, data privacy and security. A healthcare provider want to use Vertex AI to summarize patient-doctor conversation. Want to summarize them. So the chief information security officer is worried that Google will use their proprietary patient data to train public foundation model. That is the concern. Okay. How would the AI leader address this concern? Explain that by default, Google Cloud does not use customer data, prompt response, or ground truth data. It will just take the prompt response to train the public foundation model, and data remain encrypted within the customer compliance boundary. Data will be safe on the customer. We are talking about to the conversion level. So Google Cloud guarantees the strict enterprise data governance. Customer data input output are isolated to the customer tenant and are never used to train Google public. Vertex. So what is the Vertex AI architecture? So data science team want to build a generative AI application. They need to explore a curated repository of foundational, open source and third party model, and then track the metadata and version of their chosen model over time. Which two Vertex AI should be they use? So correct answer is B, model garden and model registry. Why? Model garden is the discovery hub where access Google's first party model like Gemini, open source model and third party option. Model registry is a centralized repository used to manage the lifecycle, versioning and deployment metadata of your model. Next, AI security and governance. Again, a security architect is setting up a new generative AI platform for enterprise developer. On Google Cloud, they want to ensure that only designated data scientists can modify production grade foundational model endpoint, while business analysts can only query them. Okay. What tools should be used to enforce this policy? The correct answer is B, Google Cloud Identity and Access Management role. That is the correct answer. We can set up the role according to this. Google Cloud IAM is the universal security standard for controlling access platform resources. Correct? IAM. Similar to the AWS and something else. Databricks, we can say that. The catalog. So I'm talking about here only Google related topic. So what is the primary business benefit of adopting generative AI? So that is C, why improves productivity, accelerate innovation and automates content creation while requiring human oversight. The correct answer is C. The primary uses of this one, generative AI, improve productivity, accelerate innovation and automate content creation and require human oversight. Explanation: organization use generative AI to enhance efficiency and innovation, but human review remain important. So if you have any query, any doubt, so you can comment me, I will reply your comment. And a company plan to deploy a generative AI solution that assists employee with answering questions in internal policy document. Which appropriate is most appropriate? That is, use retrieval with the foundation knowledge. That means we are providing the internal policy document for the similarity search that will be provide mostly useful information, less hallucinate the LLM. Okay. So RAG retrieve relevant enterprise document and provide them context to the LLM, improve response accuracy. That is the main use of this while reducing hallucination. Okay. So I hope you will get all the clarification wise question and answer and got the syllabus, and you can press a thumb on my video and to share them and to subscribe for some upcoming video related to the AI. I have already created lots of video related to the AI, Microsoft, AWS, Google and Databricks you can watch. So now I just want to end my video. So thank you very much.